Okay, hi there, it's Carl at Escape. This is a quick introduction video to the inventory trailers that you're about to see. So on inventory trailers going forward, we are reducing the amount of post-production options that we will complete on these trailers. This is very specifically due to resource limitations from our side inside the production line. And of course, we always want to make sure that we're looking after customers, ensuring that we get their trailers completed first before we do any post-production options. But we've kind of hit the maximum from our side, so I need to pare this down just a little bit more. So be aware, going forwards, there is a very, very limited range of post-production options that we will complete on these trailers. One nice thing, though, is that these trailers are all very highly optioned, so there's very, very little things you may want to do. We've kept some of the standard items that we typically keep off the build, just to give you more choice, and they're sort of typically around what type of wheels you want, whether you want spray foam underneath, and the tables, and there's a couple of other items in there that you may want to choose from. But other than that, I would say be prepared to take these trailers pretty much as is and enjoy them from there on. You can do any aftermarket upgrades that you want yourself. Okay, so something else I need to talk about. This is something we've thought about for quite some time from the very beginning. We just never thought it would ever come up. But some customers have started asking questions, so I think we may as well chat about it. So this is if you are a current customer and you're about to sign off on your build, and you're thinking, oh, maybe I'll get myself into the draw for an inventory trailer. Our cancellation policy still exists, or a non-refundability part of our cancellation policy still exists. So once you've confirmed we've done all this work, we're moving forward to getting the supply chain organized. Once you've confirmed, your deposit becomes non-refundable. If at that time, if you're in past the confirmation stage and you want to get in the draw for an inventory, you'll have to put another deposit in place to get in the draw for an inventory trailer. Okay, hope that helps everybody. Thanks, this is Carl at Escape, and we're built for you.
Welcome everyone at Escape Trailer. My name is Samuel and I'm here with Melissa.
Hello.
So today we have another inventory update. We have a fifth wheel and Melissa, tell us about that.
So this fifth wheel has a composting toilet and no black tank. So, and of course, like I said in the last video before this, there's no swapping out toilets, especially with this one. It does have the high lift axle already, so that's kind of a nice option as well. It also, I believe, has the spray foam insulation. Yes, it does. All right, and everything else, Harrison will show you on the video.
Hello everyone, we're looking at 50INVK009. We'll get started here. Here at the front, you have your storage compartment and your compartment for your propane tanks. Here you have two independent power leveling gears or power landing gears, and these are controlled from inside this storage hatch with those controls on the left. In here you have your DC to DC charger just to the left of the middle, and then a water line to the shower. Here you have an exterior shower, which is of course an option. TV cable ready right here. Exterior bubble leveler, of course. Moving down here, you have your standard light, which leads to down to your dump valve. So this trailer has a composting toilet, meaning it does not have a black tank. So this is just for your gray tank. Propane furnace comes standard. You've got the intake and exhaust for your fridge. This trailer has the two-way hot water tank, which is an option. So it's powered through either propane or 120 volt power. The standard is powered through only propane. City water and hose fill. Down here is your sewer hose tube for your sewer hose. Obviously, that comes standard, as does these two. Here is my absolute favorite option, is the removable power cord. Looking at the rear of the trailer, you have your backup camera there, which is an option. Solar panel here at the rear. You see that you have a second solar panel right there. You can just see the tip of it there. Along the rear here, looking back, you have your full-size spare, and this one is mounted on aluminum, as are all of the other tires. Aluminum is an option, steel is the standard. And then down below here, you have your 2x2-inch receiver with 150-pound capacity, and that comes standard on every Escape trailer. And then last bit on the rear here, you have your solar port to plug in a portable solar panel. This is an exceptionally boondocker off-grid ready trailer. Here at the rear, you have your 12 volt and USB outlets, which are options, of course, on the exterior. And then you have a optional exterior access hatch here. Standard 120 volt outlet right there. Looking here at the passenger side of the trailer, you see that you have that nice manual awning. You have the beautiful framed windows, or frameless windows, and you have that frameless split opening window on the rear. And then coming back around here, you have your optional exterior shower here on the passenger side. This trailer also has some nice other goodies that we'll take a look at. It has the body lift kit, it has the double step, and it has the spray foam insulation with heat pads. It also has the number pad door lock, which is an option, the standard exterior light, LED light here, and then the optional exterior LED light strip. Fantastic. We'll go inside the trailer here now. Beautiful fifth wheel finished in oak. It's a nice warm classic look to it. And if we'll take a look at the fabric Formica and flooring, this trailer has Monroe steel fabric, Portico marble Formica, and filigree pewter flooring. It also has a cream trim, and that goes around all of your countertops. As you can see, looking at this rear dinette, this is a bench seat dinette, so you have two choices when it comes to what table mounting system we put on here. You can either get the standard or you can get the Springfield pedestal, and there will be a link in the description to a video which discusses all of your table options. But for this one, it's only the standard or the Springfield pedestal. Looking here underneath the table, that's your solar controller. You have a 120 volt outlet back there, your converter, your electrical management system, and another 120 volt outlet. Beautiful. You have the optional captain's reading lights here in the rear, and just above those, you have your two speakers, which in conjunction with the other two speakers on either side of the bed, this leads to the stereo with 4 speakers option. Great. Looking here at your kitchen space, very nice. You have your, of course, your standard stainless steel range hood, accompanied by the standard 2-burner cooktop. This has a glass top, stainless steel body, and piezo electric ignition. You have the convection microwave oven here. And then your sink. And this, of course, has the residential J-style faucet. Stainless steel sink and faucet matches very nicely with the optional stainless steel backsplash. You also have the standard tank level monitoring in this trailer. Beautiful. Okay, now looking at this area here, so this trailer does not have a microwave, but it'll always come pre-wired for one. So we can add a microwave in for you, or you can add one in later on down the road. To the left of that, you have your standard 6 cubic foot fridge, and this is a 3-way fridge. So it runs off DC, AC, or gas. So batteries, shore power, or of course, your propane. Fantastic. Propane detector, furnace, and to the right here is your bathroom. So this bathroom has a couple nice options. It has the composting toilet. So like I said, this is an exceptionally off-grid ready trailer because the composting toilet does not use any water. And you have that nice bathroom window. And of course, it's a frameless window just to allow a little bit more natural light and exhaust some air out of the trailer. But you always have your standard powered vent here. Great, just take a look around here, up into that bed area. And there are those standard LED captain's reading lights there at the front. Beautiful, that is a 50 INV K009. We'll bring it back to Samuel and Melissa.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed the little tour with Harrison. So if you're interested in this trailer, again, you have to be a customer. So put down your name. We close that form as always on Monday 12 o'clock PST sharp. And we will do the draw at 4 o'clock PST.
That's right.
And we hope to see you there.
And don't forget, every week, if there's something you like, you have to apply for that one.
That's right. Every week, if there's a trailer that you like and you haven't been drawn yet, put your name into it. And that gives you a chance to be drawn for that specific trailer. All right, Escape trailer.
Built for you.